Nestled amongst the cities and interstates are rivers and lakes. These waterways provide nearby recreational opportunities for people to get out and enjoy our natural resources.
What are you gonna do with all this freedom? What are you gonna do with all this freedom?
With the increase in people comes an increase in other
These
problems.
days are yours, your hands are free. Where you gonna go, who you gonna be? It's your time, it's your parade. What you gonna do, what you gonna say? There was a time you were in chains. Now just yourself remains.
Hey, what's that? Hey, can I get some help?
No problem.
You can count on me. Just wait and see what we can do when we come together. We can brave any storm, any weather. Just keep looking up. Hold your head high, 'cause we will rise up this time. And we won't ever stop reaching for that sky. We'll make a new way. We'll make a new way. We'll make a new way, we'll come together. We'll make a new way that lasts forever. We'll make a new way. We'll make a new way. We'll make a new way, we'll come together. We'll make a new way that lasts forever. It's time to let go, 'cause we all got hope that we could share a better future. More love and peace and laughter to help us on our way to a brighter day. And I want to be there by your side when we arrive on the other side. We'll make a new way. We'll make a new way.
Hey, can I get some help?
Oh yeah, no problem.
You're stuck in Holy crap.
I have the simplest job out of all of you.
I look down, I just see,